everyone! Welcome back to GlamQuiz. Are you ready for a brand new Would You Rather challenge? Fast food and snack edition? If you're excited, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe to our channel. All right, let's get the show started. First up, would you rather eat donuts or cupcakes? Do you prefer tacos or burritos? Next choice, Pizza Hut or Domino's Pizza? Next round, do you fancy Big Mac or Whopper? Oh my God, this is a tough call. Will you choose Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts? Next round, KFC or Popeyes? Would you rather eat Lay's or Pringles? Comment your favorite snack or eat this for snack forever. Number 9, do you prefer Taco Bell or Del Taco? Would you rather prefer Chick-fil-A or McDonald's? Next round, Twix or Kit Kat? Do you love Taco Bell or Chipotle? Next, mozzarella stick or cheese balls? Next choice, gummy worms or marshmallows? Do you prefer Five Guys or Shake Shack? Next, cinnamon rolls or Krispy Kreme? Do you prefer Oreos or chocolate chip cookies? Do you love to eat Subway or Quiznos? Number 19, chicken nuggets or nachos? Pick one. Kick one. Chicken wings or barbecue ribs? Next round, would you rather eat hot dog or pretzel? Would you rather drink Gatorade or Prime? Next, would you rather like and subscribe or never eat chocolate again? Next choice, Dairy Queen or McFlurry? Would you rather Shake Shack fries or McDonald fries? Next, baked ham or chocolate Swiss roll? Do you prefer to eat cheeseburger or pizza? Mac and cheese or lasagna roll-ups? Number 29, chocolate milkshake or strawberry milkshake? Do you prefer to eat Kinder Surprise or Ferrero Rocher? Next round, would you rather eat frozen custard or Jell-O? Filet-O-Fish or crispy fish sandwich? Next, do you love to eat grilled cheese sandwich or corn dogs? Next one, would you rather eat pulled pork sandwich or sloppy Joe? Brownies or apple pie? Next, banana split or baked Alaska? Which is better, bacon mac and cheese or tiramisu? Next round, do you prefer Twinkies or Ding Dongs? Number 39, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups or M&M's? Would you rather beef ramen or salmon rice? Next, would you rather eat Little Caesars crazy bread or Papa John's garlic knots? McDonald's sundae or Burger King's sundae? Next round, do you prefer to eat beef burger or chicken burger? Next one, would you rather Five Guys or In-N-Out? Red Bull or Monster Energy? Next, peanut M&Ms or Nutella? Would you rather eat Doritos or Cheetos? Next round, do you prefer to eat Wendy's or KFC? Fanta or Sprite? Would you rather eat chocolate bars or chocolate truffles? Number 51, Hershey's or Milka? Do you prefer to eat cheese fries or onion rings? Next round, beef kebab or shawarma? Next one, Starbucks coffee or McCafe? Do you prefer to eat Mars or Toblerone? Next, would you rather fish and chips or Belgian waffles? Ritz or goldfish crackers? Next round, do you prefer broccoli cheddar soup or chicken noodle soup? Would you rather eat New York cheesecake or cherry cheesecake? Now this is the last one, Ruffles or Tostitos. You're gonna have a blast with these next 2 games, trust me! If you're enjoying the content, be sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video!